Always a hero comes home.
You know this is the last place you should be.
I think it's the first place I should start.
How long has it been?
Never did it too long.
Am I missing something?
I don't know, you tell me.
HPD's on it.
Bullshit, I gave you and HPD plenty of time to handle this and you know that.
Game's changed. Let the police do their jobs.
What are you gonna tell me?
2 years, you're still doing the same stuff.
He was my friend.
Try not to get yourself killed.
Almost forget how much I enjoy these family get-togethers. See you around.
In the heat of the struggle, your heart pounds with a fierce rhythm, each beat echoing the immense value of the object in your grasp. It's not just a possession, it's a symbol of everything you hold dear: memories, love, identity, and hope. Your muscles ache and your breath comes in ragged gasps, but you push forward, every fiber of your being fueled by an unyielding determination. You'd sacrifice everything, even your life, to protect it, knowing that its loss would mean a betrayal of your very soul. This object is a beacon in the chaos, a testament to your deepest convictions, and you will not let it go without a fight.
You would have lost your symbol. Come on, I'm going to teach you how to keep your symbol. Yeah. First of all, you need to learn to control your emotion. Anger will always cloud you. Act like you're going to come wide again. I'm striking you here. In the shoulder. I'm immobilizing your shoulder. I'm attacking the weakest point. You can't hit me if you can't move your shoulder. You can't hit me if you can't use your elbow. You can't kick me if you can't use your hip, your knee, or your ankle. Does it make sense?
My symbol. Brother Saren gave this to me.
My symbol. My sister was wearing this on the night she died of cancer.
cutting that.
Seafood Nick, how are you?
Long time no see.
Good to see you.
You ain't missed a meal.
Yeah, chalk it all up. How's everything?
Good. Buddha done blessed you.
Yeah, he has. Hey, is those my dad's gloves?
They are. Those are your dad's gloves. Well, we need to have a conversation about those before I present them to you.
My dearest Aurelius, if you're reading this, it means I'm no longer by your side. But know that my love for you transcends all earthly bounds. Please, my son, do not carry the weight of my passing upon your shoulders. Whatever events led to this moment, it was never your fault. Inside this envelope, you'll find my aspirations, my dreams for a better future and a better world. A healthier environment for fighters like ourselves. Regrettably, it seems I've fallen short in bringing these plans to fruition, but let not my failures burden you. I understand the pain, the anger, and the desire for retribution that may swell within your heart. Yet, I implore you, resist the temptation of vengeance. Let not the shadow of my absence cloud your path. Seek solace in the memories we shared and the love that binds us eternally. Life is precious, my son. Know that I am forever with you, guiding and loving you. Embrace the light that shines within you, and let it guide your steps towards a future filled with hope, compassion, and forgiveness. With all my love, your father.
You know I signed my contract tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous.
For real, congratulations, man. Nervous is good. Just please promise me you won't get Hollywood on us.
Man, I'm way too humble for that. Oh, shit.
Please tell me you're not gonna go through that knowing that you're gonna sign your contract tomorrow.
I can ask you the same thing.
You know what, that's fair. But what's your symbol?
The shin guards you gave me. You believed in me. But what I want to know is why you ain't never go pro.
Hey, good luck, man. I don't think you should be doing it, but you got this, man.
shin guards, somebody who believed in me.
A black belt from my last victim.
gas, no break. All facts, no fake. All gas, no break. I'ma do what it takes. All gas, no break. All facts, no fake. All gas, no break. I'ma do what it takes. All gas, no break. All facts, no fake. All gas, no break. I'ma do what it takes. All gas, no break. All facts, no fake. All gas, no break. I'ma do what it takes. What? I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it. I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it. I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it. I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it takes. I'ma do what it. I'ma do what it takes. Yeah. Look, I gotta do what it takes. You're never gonna break me, never gonna shake me off. Better get out of my lane, don't stay in my way. It's never on safety, dog. Ain't nothing sweet, we no pastry, dog. Look at me, you can't pay me off. I'm a boss, you can't lay me off. Do what it takes. Woo. Better find your feet, tie your sneaks. Gotta tell them ain't no time to sleep. No game, this ain't hide and seek. No way that you're doing the same thing. You know the game's changed. No way that you're doing the same thing.